The number of my followers on Instagram always reduce. Even some of my friends are complaining that they will just wake up one morning and see that their followers have reduced by 1,000 or 2,000, and they wonder why. Do you also experience the same reduction and wonder why? Today I'm going to show you why and how you can resolve this issue. Come with me. So open up your Instagram page, then click on your profile, then click on followers. So you see here now that 16 followers have been flagged for review. So when you click on it, you see the followers that have been flagged for review. So you can either remove them or they will be removed, or you click on these three dots, then mark as not spam. So let's go back, okay, to our profile, then see these three dots up here, click on it, then click on settings and privacy. So this, let's see the main reason why your followers are reducing. So click on follow and invite friends. So you see this flag for review. Once the button is turned on, your followers will be reducing. So what you have to do is turn it off, and that's the solution to your problem. So here you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Follow my page for more tips, and don't forget to share, like, and comment. I'll see you again. Bye bye.